Welcome to EGP Aesthetic Clinic. I'm so glad to have you here. And today I want to talk about the most frequently asked questions to me in my clinic, in my aesthetic clinic in London. Starting with the first one. Will I still look like myself, or it will be obvious that I've had something done? Well, the good aesthetics should enhance your feature and not change them. And the goal is to look fresher, healthier, and more balanced, never overdone. The second, is it too early to start, or have I already waited too long? There is no perfect age. There is only the right approach to your skin at this moment. Question number 3. What is the difference between maintaining the skin and correcting damage? Maintenance keeps the skin healthy and strong. The correction addresses the visible changes like volume loss, pigmentation, and the best results come from combining both. What matters more, professional treatments or skincare at home? They work together. Clinic treatments create change. Home care protects, prolong the results. Question number 5. How do I know what I truly need and not just what it's being sold to me? Selling a package is not wrong. What matters is progression and the trust. A good practitioner may suggest starting with a simple cleansing facial so you can experience the approach, see how the skin reacts, and then decides calmly on the next stage. So informed decision is absolutely needed to be respected from your practitioner and from yourself. Question number 6. Why do results last longer for some people than for the others? Because results depends on lifestyle, stress, hormones, skincare, and consistency, not only from the treatments themselves. Next one. Is it painful, and what should I realistically expect? Some treatments involve mild discomfort, the others very little. Honest explanation from your practitioner and the proper preparation make the experience much easier. Number 8. When will I see results and how do they develop over time? With fillers, you see an immediate effect, but the true outcome appears after about 2 weeks once the product, the hyaluronic acid, is fully integrated with your skin, with our own hyaluronic acid. Botox also reaches its full effect within up to 2 weeks. That's why responsible practitioner always offer a 2-week review to fine-tune results. Regenerative treatments work progressively. You may look fresher quickly after having the treatment, but the true transformation happens over months and becomes obvious when you look back at old photos, for example. Question number 9. Is it better to do one treatment at a time or combine different treatments? There is no universal rule. Some clients benefit from combination of the treatments, the others from step-by-step approach, and that is personalization. That is the key and depends on the experience and the knowledge qualification of each practitioners. In EGP Aesthetics, you are safe. We have both approaches to personalize, to make it work for you, exactly how you are, your lifestyle, your genetics, and your epigenetics. Question 10. What is a smart investment in the face? A smart investment focuses on skin quality, structure, and long-term results, not the trends, not shortcuts. I'm sure that you might have many other questions about aesthetics, but feel very welcome in our clinic. We offer free consultation for everyone. Welcome. You can ask all the questions you have, and we are happy to help you. You have face-to-face free consultations. We offer a video consultation, and that is our realistic approach to your skin concerns, because we believe that healthy skin is the beautiful skin and we don't want to change. We just want to optimize what you have, to correct your concerns and help to heal your concerns and take and come out all the beauty you have, not to make you another person, but another elevated, beautiful version of yourself.